Dell XPS 179710, 17-inch UHD plus touchscreen laptop, Intel Core, 911900H, 32 GB DDR4 RAM, 1 TB SSD, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3066 GB GDDR6, Windows 11 Pro, Platinum Silver with Pro support. Every XPS 17 badged with Creator Edition is fully equipped with the creative tools you need to make magic happen faster and better, so your art can be pushed to the edge. With latest 11th Gen i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics, you can keep at your most demanding workloads for even longer. Packed with staggering performance typically only available from desktops, 11th Gen Intel Core processors bring desktop-caliber creativity to your laptop. Intel Core i9 processor with 8 cores helps you capture, edit, and share your creations faster than ever before. Designed for performance and portability so you can go 1. 2x Thunderbolt 3 with power delivery and DisplayPort vertical bar 2. Full-size SD card reader V6. 0 vertical bar 3. 3.5mm headphone, microphone combo jack vertical bar 4. Wedge-shaped lock slot vertical bar 5. 2x Thunderbolt 3 with power delivery and DisplayPort USB-C to USB-A V3. 0 and HDMI V2. 0 adapter ships standard. The stunning 4-sided Infinity Edge display enables an amazing screen-to-body ratio, 93.7%, and a 17-inch screen in a 15-inch size form factor. In fact, it's smaller than 14% of 15-inch laptops. High-performance 11th Gen Intel Core, i9 processor, and powerful NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics power the most intensive creative pursuits. 17.0 inches UHD+, 3840x2400, Infinity Edge Touch, anti-reflexive 500 nit display, 11th generation Intel Core, i9 11900H, 24 MB cache, up to 4.9 GHz, 8 cores, processor NVIDIA, GeForce RTX 3066 GB GDDR6 graphics. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Pick the Laptop. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more updates on latest laptops. Thanks for watching the full video.